Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, classmates. So, once again, my name is Andrea Vaub, and I am the first reporter to discuss our topic. Our topic is all about the customer relationship. Okay, customer relationship is the connection between a brand and its customer, encompassing all interactions and experience over time to build loyalty and trust. It includes customer service, communication, and marketing aiming to enhance customer service. Okay, so in the world of business, customer relation is the best weapon to success. Okay, it's the best weapon to success because every interaction you're reaching out to your customer. Every interaction, it's talk about you. Every interaction, it's talk about your product. Every interaction is talk about your business. So by doing that, you build a strong customer relationship. Okay? So ikaduha, we have the basic of customer relationship management, or also known as CRM. May sound daunting at first. Some may think it is a tool of automation, strategy, and the technology behind it that helps business manage all interaction with current and potential customer. Okay, so the goal of the CRM is to improve customer service, okay, enhance customer satisfactions, and drive customer loyalty. Okay, by doing that, ultimately leading to increased sales. Okay, for example, like customer data management. Okay, every businessman dapat kabalo gyud siya unsay kinahanglan sa customer. Okay, unsay need sa customer nga nga paliton, or unsay kinahanglan nga produkto sa customer, or unsay mga trending. So by doing that, kung mahatag nila ang ilahang gusto, ang ilahang gusto sa kung mahatag nimo ang ilahang gusto, is it can build trust and loyalty to your business and also to your product. Okay, ikatulo, we have the customer retention, a company strategy for keeping existing customer engaged, loyal, and coming back to purchase it product or services over time rather than switching to other competitors. Okay, so kumbaga ba, dili na sila mangita og lain nga imong customer, dili na sila mangita og laing competitors nga parehas og product sa imo. Kumbaga satisfy na sila sa imong produkto, og satisfy na pud sila sa imong serbisyo because you put value from your product, you put value from your service. Okay, and by doing that, makita nila nga kininindot ni sa produkto kay gipahalagahan. Okay, and it can create a strong relationship between the consumer or the customer. Okay, so kana bang ipa-feel nimo nga special sila. Okay, so by doing that, makaboost na sa imong income or even your profit or sales sa imong company. Ikaapat, we have the customer engagement, the practice of building a lasting relationship with customer through ongoing meaningfully interactions that extend beyond a single transaction, fostering loyalty, brand advocacy, and ultimate business growth. Okay, so the purpose of customer engagement is not only selling your product, okay, but also to solve the problem of your customer. Okay, like unsay kinahanglan nila, unsay gusto nila. So imo nang i-manufactured, imo nang mahibala na nimo na between the interaction sa imong customer. So kay kinahanglan na nila, imo na i-manufacture, dinibaligya sa ila. By doing that, masatisfy sila. Okay, dili sila ingon na mangita paglain. It is because sa kana pa lang nga imong product, you put value to your product, you put value to your service, dili na sila buhat to pa sa lain or mangita pa og lain nga competitors like para sa imong product. And we have the customer deselection. Kini ang para nako is importante po ni siya, because customer deselection, the strategic process of consciously reducing or ending relationship with certain customer who are not a good fit for a business, such as those are unprofitable, disruptive, or costly to serve. Okay, so ending relationship. So nagi mga businessman nag-monitor sa ilahang customer kay tungod dili na sila makakuha og or profit na, dili sila makakuha og profit ana kundi gasto na lang para sa ila. Kay naa mo gyud customer nga demandable, bisag imo nang gihatag ang sakto nga serbisyo, bisag imo nang gihatag ang ila ang imong pinaka-best na product, pero dili pa gyapon sila kontento. It is because demandable kay sila. So mao na gilikayan sa mga businessman. It is because it's a waste of time. Gamay kayo ang ilahang makita, pero dako kay sila gasto. Especially for a patience, di ba? And last one, we have the what we call the value of customer. Okay, so customer relationship management, bottom line is how the company can keep more value from customer, sustainability, and respected over time, and or repeated over time. Loyal customer are more valuable than other because of the overall value they bring to the company. So lahi ra gid tong mga loyal nga customer kaysa mga bag-o nga customer. Okay? So katong mga loyal customer is dako na kina sila nahatag na tabang sa company. It is because kung unsa may product nga ihatag nila, unsa may product nga i-introduce nila, dili na sila magduha-duha og palit. Kay salig na kina sa imong serbisyo, salig na kina sa brand sa imong product, dili na sila magduha-duha. Compare nimo into a new customer. Di ba? So ila pag na sila kumbaga napan sila tanang observe kung kana ba imong product okay ba. Kung dili gina okay, mangita na po na sila glain, di ba? I-compare nimo sa loyal nga mga customer is dili na ka maggunahon pa og problema. It is because bisag unsa na nga produkto nga ikuan nimo, basta mga loyal nga customer is paliton nila. So nay duha ka types ang the value of customer. We have the benefits and also the cost. Okay, sa benefits is include functional value, like unsa functional value kanang loyal sila sa imong produkto, di ba? Na dili na gid sila ngita og lain. So it can boost to your profit, it can boost sales and also to your business. And then ang ikaduha nga types is ang cost. Okay, dili lang ingon about sa price sa imong product or sa imong customer, price sa imong product or kanang unsa ka loyal ang customer nimo, but also the time and effort and energy na ila gihatag, okay, sa ilang gihatag sa imong produkto or sa imong business nga nakaangay sila sa imong product. Kibali dili lang dugo at pawis nga dili na gid nimo balhin sa uban, diha na gid mi sa imo, loyal na gid mi sa imong produkto. Okay, so that is the cost of the value of the customers. And that's on my report, ma'am, and I hope all of you understand my report. Good evening and good night.